Hi, everyone, and welcome back to our English Conversation podcast. Today, we're going to talk about a topic that everyone can relate to, childhood memories.
That's right, Anna. Childhood is such a special time. It's full of fun, learning, and sometimes a little bit of trouble, too. So let's share some of our favorite childhood stories.
Sure. One of my favorite childhood memories is playing outside with my friends until it got dark. We used to play hide and seek, climb trees, and sometimes just run around in the park. Life felt so simple back then.
That sounds wonderful. For me, it was spending time with my grandparents. They lived in the countryside, and I loved visiting them. I remember helping my grandfather feed the chickens, and my grandmother always made delicious homemade bread.
That's so sweet. Childhood is also full of little lessons. Do you remember the first time you rode a bicycle?
Oh, yes, I fell so many times. I was scared at first, but after practicing every day, I finally learned. It taught me not to give up, even when things are difficult.
Exactly. And for me, childhood taught me the importance of friendship. Even though I don't see my childhood friends every day, I'll always remember the laughter we shared.
So, to our listeners, what about you? What is your favorite childhood memory? Think about it, and maybe share it with a friend, or even write it down in English as practice.
That's a great idea. Thank you for listening to today's episode. We hope you enjoyed this conversation about childhood memories. Don't forget to practice speaking and share your own stories.
See you next time.